This is a French door, elegant French door design. So you can you can just open like this. Wow. I think in this French door oven, I think the turkey will fit for sure. You can see the turkey. See, you can just remove both the sliders and you can put a turkey here. You can roast a turkey. Nice. Yeah, this is the next level oven. $220. And this one costs like $139. That's nice. Look at the toasters. This is instant pot. This section is all about instant pot. So many steamers. Ninja, so many companies actually. They all cost, even they all cost from $39. Aroma. I think this company is even available in India. This is $40. $40. So it's a grain cooker, multi-cooker, slow cooker, food steamer, everything. Nice. So they all cost from $40 to $160, like 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees to even 15,000. So look at the rice cookers. Rice cookers are like from $9 based on the size. 6-cup rice cooker. I think it's a small one. It costs $10, 700 rupees. Oh, look at that. All the rice cookers. And the bigger rice cooker costs like $25. That's like around 3,000 rupees. Sorry, 2,000 rupees. Look at this small rice cooker. This is so small, $16. This is actually this much small. Although they say 6-cup, I'm not sure. A 6-cup fits in it. Air fryer. Air fryer costs. Air fryer oven. This is like $120. That is around 8,500. So here you have again some grills. You can see. Look at this fiberware air fryers. This is what, this has been famous now, right? You can fry French fries. You can fry all this. You can fry French fries, even chicken wings. Just air fries. And what is the cost of the air fries? It's $59. And the smaller one is $39. Okay, the smaller one is $39. So air fryers are trending now. Many people are preferring air fryers. So that's like 3,000 to 4,500 rupees. I think air fryers are now available in India. I'm not sure what is the price, but here it costs $40 to $60. That is like 3,000 to 4,500. You can see so many coffee makers, even juice makers. Look at the juice makers. Look at this juice maker. Hamilton Beach is apparently the popular brand here. Black & Decker and Hamilton Beach. This section we have all the blenders, guys. Look at all the blenders. These are awesome blenders. This one costs $17. Different Black & Decker basically. Oster, Black & Decker. So many blenders. Guys, they blenders cost from even like as good as $20, $14. There is a blender for even $14. $14 to the highest price is $149. So that's a bigger one, giant one. Look at this Ninja 1000 watts. Wow, it's so nice. There's so many coffee machines. Wow, so many coffee machines. Mac coffee. So coffee machines cost as cheap as $9 to $100. 700 rupees to 7,000, 8,000 rupees. Look at this. This is so good. $15 for $15. This is so cheap. This is Black & Decker. For $15, Black & Decker coffee machine is really nice. Yeah. Here you can see again bunch of microwaves. They all cost $74, 1000 watts. Here you can see again bunch of microwaves. They all cost $74, 1000 watts. So friends, finally my shopping is successful. I have purchased a microwave, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you all liked it. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel, like and share so that you don't miss my future vlogs and recipes. Thank you so much. Take care.